name's Hedy. I'm the big cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co, not .com, .co, with my beautiful best friend Muppet Bundle Cundle, who's really hot and bothered. Today we're going to talk about how to make money in genealogy, and I can never pronounce that word, so I am flabbergasted that I just did that one right. It's basically finding ancestors, finding lost relatives, and I can't really go that far back because our name was probably changed when the family came out of the war because I'm Jewish. So we go to Kundal, and it might have been Kundalokovich before the war, before World War II, but we can't really go that far back. And I would love to be able to go right back to Russian ancestors, but we can't. But I'm going to show you how to make money from yours and the pros and the cons of it. So let's get going. Okay, so I'm going to show you some, just some basic websites and what they're doing and what they're not doing. So you look on Family Search here now. I actually really like this site. I think it's really cool. It's very nice. The only thing is, I'm flicking around here and it's not saying anything about prices, and that does make me a little bit nervous, where there's no information down here about frequently asked questions. We're going to charge your credit card $10,000 a month. There's like, you want to go into Get Help. I'm looking at Get Help, right. Send a message. They've got all these support places around the world. There's no details about the price. It really concerns me. You're going to sign in with a user and a password. How much is it? Don't tell me that you're doing this whole thing for free and because you love ancestors. It does no. So what we're going to do is we're going to bounce back out of that one again just now because it does concern me a bit. Let's go to ones that at least you know what you're dealing with. So you go to something like Ancestry.com. Okay, so you want to find your mother, your father, your blah, and you want to go through. So as you're scrolling down, you're going to see obviously some nice videos and some information down here, which I love this site. I think it's really cool. Top right, 14-day free trial, give me access. Now this makes sense because after that, they're going to charge you. Really cool. Okay, so you're looking at, you can do $23 a month. Or you can do a slam dunk and you can do for a 6-month membership where you do $149 for the World Explorer. I like this. This is explaining that they're going to charge you per month. You're now going to be invested in this. You want to find your family tree. So then you're going to go to the other one, Genealogy Archives, which I can't believe that I even said genealogy correctly again. So you look down here, you've got all these different methods to be able to find your family. I'm not keen on this one. Even though you're going to get 7 days free, they do want to charge your card, and then it's only going to be $7.95 a month. That's okay, but I don't like the idea of having to put my credit card details in first, that's why I'll use American Express, so just in case anything goes wrong, they will sort it out for me. Not keen. Credit card before you sign up? Not very happy about that one. No way, Jose. And that's how they make money. So if I could go out to the Russian ancestors, that would probably Kundalokovich or something, Broskine, Steinberg, somewhere along the way, I would love to do something like this, but we have a really big sticking point in our family. We can only go so far back. But if you're wanting to be able to look through that, don't sign up to something that says 7 days free trial, but you've got to put your credit card details in now. You should be able to go and do the free one. I like the second one. I think it's very simple the way they've laid it out. How they make money is not by per ancestor. Every time you find something, you're going to get charged. No. They're doing it per month, which makes sense because it might be 1 or 2 months that something lapses and then boom. Remember, other people are now piecing together their ancestors all over the world and they can start connecting with you, and that's how the dots start filling up. So you might go through ups and downs. I would rather do $22.95 and know exactly what I'm dealing with as opposed to this like $7.95 and we want your credit card 3 months in advance if you're signing up. She wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. Don't you do it. My name's Hedy. I'm the big cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co, not .com. Even she knows that. It is a .co. Have an absolutely brilliant one.